Hey guys, it's Kate and we're back to another video, and so welcome to the Craft Factory. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best ever silly string slime. So let's get on with the video. So I'm sorry that this isn't the way right here, but so I got my bowl and gotta get my gallon of clear glue. And I just spilled my spoons. Great. Wonderful. Great. Okay. So after you've got, you just want to make your basic clear slime, okay? First, that's just what you want to do. Add your activator. Mine is borax and water. Got my spoon. And guys, I don't know if you guys know, but I hate pink. And then you'd be like, what? No, that's like the opposite. It's like opposite day. Nope, I actually hate pink. I now have a pink bowl, pink spoon, and a corbel jacket. So, yeah. You just want to make your basic clear slime. Okay, I'm gonna take off my bracelet, which I never do. And at least in my videos, I never take it off. I'm running out of activator, guys. Okay, so whatever. That's close enough. Wanna play with it. Okay, guys. So my slime is about right. And guys, ignore that right there. It's a lamp. Oh dang, it's not even plugged in. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in, guys, so you guys can see how different it looks with the lamp. Ugh. Can't plug it in. That's weird. I plugged it in yesterday. Okay, so I'm so sorry, but I'm not gonna plug it in because I can't. Okay, so after you guys have your clear slime, you want to get out your silly string. And guys, great, I just now remembered that I only opened up the that went everywhere. I only opened up the orange silly string. So let me open up the yellow for you. Get the yellow one open. I guess it's like bubbly crappy stuff. I'm gonna add your silly string after you made your clear slime. Ooh, I can't open it. Ugh. Still can't open it. Okay, guys, finally got it open. It's yellow. This one is orange. This one is yellow. Let's do it. Okay, let me test. Okay, yellow works. Orange. Orange works. Okay, so then you want to get your silly string and just mix it with your slime. guys, silly string apparently will not stick. I think it has to be sticky for the silly string to stick. So, this isn't working. Why, guys? Why isn't this working? Comment down below. I mean, it's mixing in now, but it doesn't like it won't wanna. It doesn't wanna go in. So I added some clear glue to it. Maybe it has to be sticky. Silly string. Yep, that was it. You guys gotta make sure you don't add mud activator. Make sure you're setting a sticky tip. Then mix it all in. Okay, so adding more in, and now I got my amazing silly string slime. Oh. Orange. Gotta get the yellow one. Okay. Got the orange and yellow one. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's go to the outro. Guys, so I know this is a weird spot, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I got my melon slime. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.